grenzenlose Energie. Und wenn der Rache wacht, gibt er ihm einfach ein Leckerli. Was macht er als nächstes? Hier wird etwas entstehen. Niemand wird es kommen sehen. Was wird nun geschehen? Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß, dieses Abenteuer wollen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell. Wir fragen uns, was wird dort geschehen? Habt ihr das gesehen? Ich habe gehört, er hatte über der Tisch. Er ist so wunderschön. Ist das nicht? Dort, da ist er. Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß, die Abenteuer müssen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell. Wir fragen uns, was wird dort geschehen? Er trägt den Namen eines Helden, kämpft sich durch jede Dimension. Er findet unentdeckte Welten und besiegt jede Illusion. Er ist wie der Ninja der Nacht, er hat grenzenlose Energie. Und wenn der Rache wacht, gibt er ihm einfach ein Leckerli. Was macht er als nächstes? Hier wird etwas entstehen. Niemand wird es kommen sehen. Was wird nun geschehen? Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß. Dieses Abenteuer wollen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell. Wir fragen uns, was wird dort geschehen? Habt ihr das gesehen? Ich habe gehört, er hatte über der Tisch. Er ist so wunderschön. Ist das nicht? Dort, da ist er. Zeit für eine Sensation. Die Sehnsucht ist groß, die Abenteuer müssen wir sehen. Und werden ihn wiedersehen. Es wird sensationell. Wir fragen uns, was wird dort geschehen? Er trägt den Namen eines Helden.
Hello and welcome, wonderful humans, to Sword and Quill. It's Friday edition. Yes, it is Friday. We almost made it to the weekend. Isn't that awesome? Well, doesn't really change for solo developers, right? There's no weekend. There are just days. Yes, but things are ready to go. I'm happy to be here and to test our controller support. I am locked and loaded with my favorite controller. No, my second favorite controller. My favorite one is the iridescent one that is like blue-purple. But that's connected to the Xbox. So my second favorite controller, or my favorite controller on the computer. Think one. Look at it. Magnificent. And got my magnificent coffee mug. My parents brought me this from Morocco. which has amazing colors. I love it. Oh, it's just absolutely fantastic. And why is Spotify on here? We want our build. Correct. So we are testing this with the console. And let's start right immediately with the controller support. Godot does it really cool that like buttons are already working with a controller. You just have to let the dog into the bedroom. One day he will learn how to use handles. What was I saying? Yes. So the buttons already work with controller selection. You just have to decide. No, you have to mark one as. I don't know. Camera was better before. How did I do it? Just grab a focus on one. Focus is when they are selected. And can go to settings because I do not want the music for this, even though the music is great. This down a little bit and accept. See, like the settings screen, I didn't even have to do anything. Just have to mark the first thing as focused. And now we go start run and peekaboo. And then we can select up and down with the stick, which is still a bit very sensitive when you use it with a stick. So I'm not quite sure how to do it. I did add a cooldown timer that it doesn't trigger too often. So the higher I make, like if I make the cooldown a little higher, it works well with the stick, but then I can't do it with a D-pad. I like to play, like if it's menus in 2D, I like to play with D-pad. And if I increase the timer, I cannot do this very fast, which I don't want. So I might have to make an individual timer just for the joystick, which is, but you know. We'll get there, it's fine. So why am I cut off? So, sure, just do it like this. This is a better cut. Okay, where do I want to go? So if you press select, you can go get into the menu. We see our party. We can stick details and go back. That's great. Now, where do I want to go? To the right stick. Scrolls through the view. And then let's see. So up there we can improve our Anemon. We can heal up. There's a lot of health. And I also changed that. I made it more difficult. So the last lane is not, the last column is not heal anymore. So we should consider this. So we should definitely go to the bottom. Or the very top. At the very top, we could heal at the end, but here we have chests. So what if we want to heal at the end? We don't get a chest. But there is also a shop at the top. So if we gain enough money, we could buy heal. Difficult. There's a good roll on the map. It's not easy. I would say, I don't know. I want chests. I do like chests. So why don't we go the bottom one, and then we can still decide what I want to do. Because the heal comes closer to the end. So yeah. Oh, I haven't removed the menu selection yet. So you can go through your commands. You can press X. Nope. Okay. To write that down. But here. Let's write this down with no. The bugs should not. This is fixed. Let's write it down as to do. X in combat not showing tech tooltip. There we go. Okay. Then we can roll the dice with this. And reroll with X, which also is not showing. And we have a double bonus. How nice. This will now deal 3. Or if we get a 2. Nope, that was bad. Okay, we can also not reroll this. I'm not completely happy yet with that you have to press RT to get to the selection of the dice. I do like that you can... Okay, it doesn't show now because I don't have 2 dice, but what I sort of accidentally stumbled upon is the settings that, like, you with right and left, you can select the dice while still changing your selection for what you want to spend it on, so this way you don't have to like constantly change between the 2 settings. So let's put this on snap and give us a shield and hit you in your cute little face. No? Yes. Everyone says it looks like Eevee. I didn't really notice when I drew it, so I must have done it subconsciously. But yeah, I totally see it now. Ow, excuse. Oh, also it vibrates. I found out how to make it vibrate, which is amazing. Shall we try to catch it? Because then it has more health. Oop, nothing to pay. Okay, this is also a weird bug. That it still opens. No bugs. Controller. Paying dice on 0 cost menu button gives error message, but then opens with B? It's very weird. It still opens. Bind shard. No! Oh. And it also does 2 attacks. Enemy moves twice after bind shard breakout. For whatever reason. Is not that great. So we give ourselves a shield. We snap it lower. I like the music. So I found this post from Stream Kitty that said that their music is safe to use and it's lovely. Oh no, I need to pay to use my inventory now. So the first use of inventory and the first use of switch is free, but then every use will increase it cost by 1. Yeah. And also I get the error message of the cost for some reason. Like I pay the cost and then it says I have to pay the cost, which means the button gets triggered twice, which is also something that's not great, but it's not a big thing. Paying dice on menu, battle menu button triggers rest. Okay. Now what do we have? We have loot. We have brace, which with X you can get details. I don't have a prompt for that yet, but X opens tooltip. So brace, steal your money, prepare your defenses. Someone's going to hit you eventually. Gain +1 shields. Brace is sneaky. Huh. Interesting. Oh yeah. And I haven't fixed this one yet. There's no... Weirdly, when the pop-up shows up, I grab focus with it, so it should focus this one, but it doesn't. So tutorial, pop-up, not grabbing hint, can't be removed with controller, and it sucks, so we just have to press it here. And now go back to yes. So I also managed to find a way to implement that it fluently switches between the control schemes, which is very nice. Okay, how much money do we have? We have 10. That's not enough for a shop. Then we definitely go down. Oh, but there were also 2 upgrades after. Well, shield. Also, I do want a technique. I do want a mechanic of something. If you catch a duplicate, that you can fuse them too. That would be great. We have to reroll. Right, you use Delhi. You use Delhi again, so I can attack. Oh no, I forgot we have Scorching Body. That is bad. And now you will snap, so I will should use a shield, shouldn't I? And roll on the turn. And another snap. So let's reroll this. Reroll this. Excuse me? Oh. Currently there's a setting for if you pay a dice, it goes to the technique that you pay to, but I should check for if the technique is usable yet. So after paying technique, also controller. After paying technique with dice, only switch focus if technique is ready. Good. We're making good notes here. And then we have a double bonus. Which now if we get a 2, we can switch to as an ember, so they also get a oh no, the double bonus only works for 1. I forgot. But that's okay. Is it though? I have 1 reroll. Nope, it is not okay. But you're gonna use Delhi, so maybe we're good. And you use Delhi again, so we're definitely why is this so difficult? Okay. If I switch back now, do I get another reroll? Which doesn't matter because we don't have any dice. Oh shit, we really need to heal. But you should now be dead. Oh, nice. We have fuse fire. Oh, but we also have defensive strike. Dang! Dang. Those are both good, but I would say fuse fire. So first let's use fuse fire on as an ember. And then there was another thing I wanted to do, but I forgot. Right, dice. We want to change to fire dice so we can pay for fuse fire. Did it work? Yes. All right, we don't have a choice, so we go to shopping. But right. We did not make the shopping screen controller friendly yet. Shopping screen controller support. Okay, but does B work? Nope. Okay, then we just buy this and go back. All right, then. Okay, this works. That's good. Then what do we want? Do we want max shields or do we want max HP? I should show the party screen here, shouldn't I? Let's go with max HP. And it's an ember. Perfect. And we definitely need to heal. We're not gonna be able to make the boss without. We're not gonna be able, so I want a soda bundle. Ah, shit. Okay. So after selecting kiosk, after selection does not focus, exit, and B not working. Controller support. Alright, let's do it manually, and then we upgrade another one, and we will give us an ember, hopefully level up. And now let's heal our little friends. Wait, we have 5? Oh, we didn't use the first one. That is good. That means we... Oh. Oh, we cannot use... Oh, okay. Another to do is that you can use those multiple times. Inventory screen. Let heal item used multiple times if there are some left. Because currently I just use the item once. And then you don't have a selection anymore, so you can press them, but it does nothing because it doesn't have a selected item basically. And now... Oh wait, you don't hear music. Excuse me? Why did nobody tell me? There's this beautiful music. And you didn't hear it. It was just me silently and my mouth sounds. Alright. You're gonna start off with defensive strike. Our rerolls, we get damage, so we want to avoid that. So let's get us a pout in. That's also missing yet with the controller. You cannot get the tooltip of the enemy attacks. We'll have to do that eventually. So we're gonna go and snap it. Oh shit, Steam Dart, which does fire damage. So we might want to switch to As an Ember because they are resistant against fire. Yep. And they take half damage. Still not good. This does 3 damage, which is... Fuse Fire does the more damage the more fire attacks you have. Currently we only have 1, so it's not better than Snap, unfortunately. Do another defensive strike. Let's give us a shield and attack. I like this music. Okay, can we do it with this low level? I am not sure. I made this game quite difficult. What did I do? Alright. Oh shit, I forgot. We get double slap 8. Oh my god. We're not gonna do too well with that one. We'll survive this with 1 HP? Yep. God damn it. And now it will do a jump attack that we can't do anything about it. I'm still not sure. I kind of don't want to punish a new roll. But on the other hand, if I had it before that if you use up all your dice, you roll a new turn, the enemy does not get a move. But then if you use oh, but sneaky attacks now exhaust. So maybe that works again. But we're gonna die now. Yeah. Oh. Oops. So that's a big one. On KO party selection, remove focus from battle menu, select an anemone and also aid a technique, which is not good to have at the same time. So, oh, Steam Dart. Not sure if we can do it. Jump attack. Yeah, because this kind of feels cheap. Alright, that's under design. Design. Think about new turn without player the enemy move. Because I like from the design that is then consistently. Because then I could say whenever you make a move, the enemy makes a move. But currently I have to say whenever you make a move, the enemy makes a move. But also if you roll a new turn, the enemy also makes a move. So it's not very consistent. Oh, you're gonna do jump attack, aren't you? So let's get more shields on. Shields. And we don't want to reroll because that does damage. Although no one is also bad. So let's give us a shield and we're close. Oh wait, we have items. When did I not think of the item? Uh-oh. Oh no, why is it not now selecting the lower buttons? That's bad. Oh, because I don't refresh this on Anemone change. Switching anemones does not refresh the available buttons list in action selection component. Action selection component. Okay, let's go. Defensive strike. We can survive one of those. Oh, we should have healed as an ember. Oh god. Oh, steam dart 6. Fuck. Okay, let's give us a shield. Let's pay the inventory again to heal us, cause I think that's the only way we get through this fight. We have a double bonus, that's good. Do I want to risk? Yeah, I want to risk getting it too. Fuck. There we go. But we also want the shield. Oh god, this is difficult. No, so close. Oh fuck. We have to roll. Gotta be really close, but I think we did it now. No, it was defensive strike. Fuck. Okay, I have one reroll before I die. Shall we hope it's a 2? Because then we... No. Okay, we have one. We have one more health. I'm gonna jump attack 4. Defensive strike. Oh no, not the defensive strike. We need the 2 now. There we go. Come on. Yes. Ah, okay. Boss screen. Victory screen. Not grabbing. Focus if there are no loot cards, and I'm pretty sure that the dice upgrade screen now also will not work. Yeah, so do we want another D4 or do we want to upgrade? And it's also to do dice upgrade screen. Also, I learned one day too late that you can also make non-UI element, like non-buttons focusable, and then have a function that if they have focus, that like a highlight plays. So I made this complicated function for selecting my cards, even though I could have just used native Godot stuff. Okay, we gain another die, and now we are in region number 2. Also, I didn't pay attention to if we get any score, because I also have a score screen now if you die. And okay, now our party is in a bad shape. So we want to get to a heal as fast as possible, which is either in the center, and then we have a trainer. Trainers are a bit rare. So I changed that you cannot have a trainer right at the start in the first 2 nodes, I think. But then somehow they become really rare now. So we have 2 heals down. We could also try to go for an upgrade, for a fusion. There's a shop, there is upgrades. And at the end we get to choose if we heal again. So I have the feeling that the bottom one is actually a good bet. Hey, we have Ibricute. That's the first that I encountered in-game, so shall we try and capture it? It's gonna use pressure. I forgot what it does. It's not that great. So reroll. Another double bonus. Well, that. Great. Okay. So here, shield. And I think pressure ignores shield, but I am not sure. So let's go here. Use pressure. Oh, I think pressure goes only on shield, but therefore does lots of damage. And it's gonna do snap. Wait, why does snap do 4 damage? Is it still... Oh, I think it's still the... Oh, last bane shard. Yes. Alright, we have another brace. We could upgrade brace even though... Oh wait, the image is stretched. What? No, we don't want that. Animon image on party list is stretched for every cute. Embry cute? No, every cute. Okay. So poison spores, or I guess brace. We don't have a choice. Oh no, this is grass and fire. So for fire, we probably want to switch to Ibricute, even though Ibricute has low HP but also high level. Oh no, we didn't change. Oh, it works. Ibricute has the okay, I'm gonna use the mouse for this water abundance quirk, which is really powerful. While this enemy is on the field, you gain an additional water d4, which is really good. It might be a bit too good. It might be a bit too good. Maybe some quirks also need disadvantages, but hey. This is Badooms. I feel like getting a new dice is so much more powerful than upgrading one. So we'll have to see how we do the balance there. So pressure... Oh no. Oh, I guess that's good. What does pressure do again? I think it goes only on the shield. Yep, shield break. In this technique's damage will only be applied to shields. But why does it not show damage? It has damage 4. Because I think the damage calculation, I get the preview damage from damage calculation, and the damage calculation sees that there's no damage done to the HP. So we'll have to figure this one also out. Damage preview for shield break techniques show 0. Okay. Then we don't have a shield, so we also don't need that. Also, why does it do the weird curvy thing? Why does it not go immediately there? Okay, rain barrage. Let's try rain barrage. Wow. As strong? Oh, we want to use Singe. Because as an ember has the fuse fire ability, which gets stronger. Yeah, also we have to fix those. Look at them. Forget Delhi. Now, as an ember should have 2 abilities now. Fuse fire should be much stronger. Okay, we want to go to the chest and then we want to go to the heal. All right, and Kindle. Ooh, or we could upgrade Snap. That's also good. And now we try to shop. Okay, we have 146, which is that's good. Finally, so definitely Solar Cola and a bind shard. Then we have. Ooh, that's good. So cheap ball definitely for the free shields. We have healing drops. I guess that's it. We have healing drops. And you can learn that even. So inventory, healing drops, very cute. And now we could upgrade, but we also want to heal. So maybe we save the upgrade for after. So let's get S and Amber back, hooray! Oh yeah, this I have written down. Inventory, Solar Cola. And now we upgrade. Let's get XP for us and Ember again. And now we definitely want to fusion. The question only is... No! Why are you skipping us and Ember? Because no. Fusion screen. Add 3 animals. Selection. Skipped second one. Only focus first and third. What's that? Okay. We have one enhancement use. Also, we have to change the text. Which one? It even says available techniques too. Available. Oh, I need to make this text larger. Or do we want to improve? Maybe cute. It's only precise that we can upgrade. Okay, let's try as an ammo. Why does this not work for you? Oh, because I clicked. Oh yeah. Let's improve Singe. And we're gonna... Oh, no valid items. Finally we have information. But then I should also not be able to press it. It's not a bug, it's by design, it's just not desirable. Fusion screen, make buttons disabled when enhancement not available. Okay, then let's reduce the costs. Use Cinch. Alright. And now it should go back to the previous screen and it focused the exit. Perfect. Whew. Let's see if we can defeat Yimsik, which is a bit large. Maybe I need to make them smaller because there needs to be room for actually really large enemies. No! We don't have a watch die yet. I keep forgetting. Okay. So if we switch now to us in Ember. Oh, so switching here is very powerful because the exhaustion only works for the one Anemon, which makes sense. Okay, then Fuse Fire does 4 damage. Singe does 4 damage. So currently Fuse Fire is also not better than Singe, even though Singe cost 4 before. So Fuse Fire was better. Does anyone? No, shit. Okay, let's start. Always start with getting a shield. Wait, we should have gotten a oh, that was for Kalbu. And then we go and have. Does this have? Oh yeah, we don't have a Singe. Oh, there's so much HP. And now we do snap, because this does 4 damage for 2 cost, which is good. Critical hit, perfect. Oh my god. Okay, we're doing better. This was why does this have a fire attack again? It should have a different one. The previous one had fire attack already. And let's try to get a Snaps exhaust, so we don't really need. Yes, perfect. So Fuse Fire. You're gonna do 3 damage. So first we want 1 shield, and then we're gonna do Fuse Fire. And then let's go. Maybe we want to switch now. Because, no, it's gonna do jump attack, so we are gonna lose 4. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, let's switch to Cute. Okay, this did not give us a dice. Switching in Cute did not spawn water dice. Only after a new turn, I think. I think this is where we check. So, but that also means we don't have. Okay, we want to do snap. You do defensive strike. We can handle 1 defensive strike because we can heal. And now there's a pressure, and there it is. Yeah, as I thought, this only happens. Oh no, healing drops is exhausted. Okay, defensive strike. We want to do rain barrage. That's 2 times only. Okay. Do we have a healing item? Nope. This is all we got. So you're going to jump attack for 4. Oh god. And we don't even have shield. So we're gonna do a pressure jump attack, and then it will do fucking double slap. So let's switch to Kalbu, who has now snap. Oh yeah. Switching Animon keeps paid technique slot ready, which we don't want, because then you can cheat by paying a cheap ability on the first slot and then change to an Animon that has an expensive ability on the first slot, and then it will be paid. Okay. I almost did it. Almost did it. Oh, fuck. We can. Oh, shit. We could swap. I could swap, but it will only do. We could reroll, but that feels like a waste. But if we go anywhere else, yeah, let's keep it. Perfect. Oh. But we can still again only get a shield. Oh no, all the double bony. Okay, let's switch to as an ember because I think that's the only thing we can do. With one more reroll. We can survive. If it's not a critical hit, we might be able to do it. Wait. It should have died from Scorching Body. Weird. Whew. Did it, and now... Yeah, let's just test this. Oh no. Shit. Okay, why is that not working? Upgrade. Dice upgrade. Can't click on dice to upgrade. Dang. Well, that is a shame. Oh, and we can't go back. No! Wait, do we have a... Let's see. Oh, the console says invalid call, non-existent and get children in base. Test of Gracie on dice back closed. Well, that sucks. Can I copy this? Yes. Let's copy this in here. Can't exit dice upgrade. Select dice selection. So I guess we're stuck here. Maybe there's like a little corner where I can click it. No. I guess that's it. That's how far we got with our controller support, so we can work on putting these in. Well, then I'll take a short bathroom break and then we'll be back. See you in a few minutes. And we're still on the screen that is frozen. So okay, so we're stuck here. So let's start with fixing that one. Can't exit dice upgrade, but can't get children in base control. So we want to go to the upgrade screen, line 43. The screen 43. For child in dice bag container, get children. Yeah, okay, we have no leaderboard. Dice bag screen. On dice bag screen close for child and dice bag container is dice bag screen container. Do we have this? No, it. It's called slot container. My question is, why do we even do that? On dice bag screen closed. Dice bag screen container. Dice, well, oh, that's the dice upgrade screen. Dice upgrade screen. So here we have this, and it's called this, yes. So what did you not find there? I guess we can check if dice bag container get children size 0, but it was 0. It was 0. It wasn't 0. Dice bag container add child on upgrade selected. Dice bag, we open the dice bag and we add it as a child, which is correct. And we initialize it. Wait. Does it kill itself on exit pressed? No, it does not queue free. You have to try the net again to see what's going on. Then let's start with making the shop card selectable, because then we can say focus. All. And then we can say set value on focus changed value. Is that it? We did this for, wait, sticker. This for sticker. Oh no, we did it over focus entered, so we don't need this. we need on focus changed on bool as, and then we say focus entered connect on focus changed bind true. So we call this with true, and focus exited connect on focus changed bind false. And then in here we call, I think, the hover function on mouse entered. If pressing allowed. So if on. There we go, and then we need a variable that is called, oh, we can just use focus. No, we need not a variable, we need a signal. Signal card focused card shop card component, and then we say card focused emit self, and then else and we do this. And then we should, if we open the shop screen, shop screen. Oh, just shop. Ready, populate shop. And then we want the current focused card shop card component. And then for each populate shop, where do we, there, shop card instantiate new potion selected card focused connect on card focused. And then we go here and we say func on card focused card shop card component, and then we say focused card equals card, and then if we say confirm, we need an input. Input event. Oh, not focus. Func input event. If we want focus, I think. If not focus, return else. If event is action rest confirm, then if focused card is null, return else focused card rest on card pressed. Is that the correct one? Purchased, yes. Card pressed, is that it? And then we need we need to set this. Set value on focus changed value. Keep forgetting if it's a colon or an equal. On bool, and then we say if on if selected focus card null, then item where's my container? Where do we spawn it? Where do we spawn the children in marbles? Oh no. I think it's just items. Items. If items get children size larger 0, items get child 0, grab focus. Elif techniques skills, yeah, skills get children size. So if there are no items, we check if there are skills that we could focus on, and if there are no skills, then we check marbles. And if there are also no marbles, we grab focus on the exit button. Okay. And then where do we open the shop screen? On the map? No, game manager, room selected, on battle room, on map exited, on shop. Here on shop entered shop scene, change view, shop scene. And then we say, okay, we just do it in the shop scene. Shop on ready. And then we say if game manager settings controller mode connect. No, not connect. Controller mode, then toggle, then focus true. And then we also want to events controller mode toggled connect on controller mode changed. Also here func controller mode changed on bool if on, if focused card equals null, then oh wait, it already does that, right? If it's on, then we say focus if on, focus true, else focus false. Okay, see if that works. I did it way too complicated before. I'm glad I found this out now and not later. Okay, let's see. There's no shop here. Let's try again. Hey. Okay, there's a shop right here. Let's start cheat mode. Alright. Let's see. Okay. It's not working. Or is it just not? It's just not showing. So focus entered. Focus changed. And grabbing focus. And then my item name. Why you no working? With the stickers it worked immediately. Let's see if the selection works. So there's no shop. Come on. Give me a shop. Give me a shop. There's a shop. Sheets. Uh-huh. Alright. Something froze. Invalid access property. Oh, because we're selecting a marble. My item name, which I think is just a resource. Oh, is it because they are unavailable? Because it selects the marbles which are not, you can't buy them. So that's not showing the hover effect. Uh-oh. Yeah, the sound doesn't work well for if you transition fast. Okay. Why'd you fucking reset this? Thought I changed this. Still not. Sometimes just reverts your changes, which is terrible. You think you fixed something, or like you changed something and then it didn't, and you may not notice. Give me a shop. There's a shop. The eye. Alright. Again, please. Oh, because it's still a marble. Okay. You know what? Go away. I might know what's going on. I mean, we can immediately just go off this. Try this. Give me a shop, please. In reach. Thank you. How nice. Alright, shop. Yes. And I can't press because I can't afford it. But I can. Ah. Okay, that does not work. Why does that not work? So shop card no shop, just shop. Where's the shop? There's the shop. Does this happen? Shop scene focus on. Doop, doop, doop. Okay. Not sure if this... It should do it by itself, yeah? So ready, populate, shop. Should probably do this at the end of populate shop. Oh yeah, it's called the third. That's why it will not work. So at the end of populate shop, update shop view, and then we do it. It might. Oh, it's focusing the exit button, which means it didn't find any other items. So yeah, that makes sense. I just called this too early. Okay. Now we don't have a shop screen. Please give me a shop. Please give me a shop. A shop, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. Aha. And but pressing still doesn't work. Let's see if we got shop scene focus on. Okay, this is working. Then why does the input not work? Ready input. If not focus. Input detected. Trying to purchase card. Try that yet again. Okay. Now let's see. Does this not scroll down? Shop scene focus on. I think that's the version where it does not. Game manager, current view, shop. Yeah, okay. Keep forgetting how these functions work. So this does not set it. So Is it the one where I have to do this? Cause I confuse this every time. Let's try it again. There's a shop right there. How beautiful is that? Nope, still not. Ah. Every time I confuse these. So Godot set get documentation. Also, I always need this link because nope, this is not the link. For some reason I don't find it from Google. Setter here. Set value. So set value means whatever I set it to. Changes the balance to the negative value. Okay. Base class static cannot be. Type in setters and getters. Nope. Setter. Property. Yes, so set value milliseconds. But I just want to call the thing. There was something about recursive loops, which changed emit value. Warns when changed equals value. So my prop equals value. Set my prop. So set value and yeah, but that's what I did. So not working. I guess I just have to do this because I don't know how else to do it. Focus equals on. Now it should work. Still not quite understand, but yeah. Give me a shop. There's a shop down here. Oh no. Okay, this is the infinite loop. Always confuse this. Godot call function when property changes. Set execute a function when an object's property changes. choose your own set accessor. But this is C sharp. Change control with signal emit inside class. Hey Gregory, no, I'm not looking for custom signals. I want to call a function whenever a variable changes. And I do get it to work. I think if I do it like this and set it here. But it only works if I set the variable also in this function. Yeah, but isn't that what I'm using? Isn't that the setter? I'm almost confused by when I need to use a equal sign and when I need to use a colon for this. So if I go to upgrade card component, I think, nope, I didn't use it here. Where did I use it? I used it on upgrade scene. Yeah, I am using setters for these, unless I'm confusing what a setter is, but I thought I am using, and they're great. Like, I managed to get it to work with those functions. I just wonder if I can do it without a function that has to set the value inside the setter function. Because that was also what I'm reading about. So you can do whatever you want. No, that's what I'm doing. And they're great. That is... yeah, those. So it does say... oh, this is a getter, and this is setter, set my prop. But it doesn't say what set my prop is. So I think it has to be an equal sign. And then on focus change needs to set the value, which it does. So when I open the screen, it sets the focus to true, and the setter should call this function. Doop to doop. Cheat mode. Let's get this quick. Yeah, I love setters. I don't even know how I got this far without setters and getters. Yeah, cheapo, and here we go. Let's... nope, still... is it still recursion? Ah, it resetted again. Why? Visual Studio, why do you reset my changes? I trusted you. Come on. Do not change my changes. Now I don't have a shop. Boop, boop, boop. So yeah, I used signals before. When values changed, that's when I didn't know about setters and getters yet. But it's definitely much easier for like HP changes and stuff. Let's go. Shop screen, hey. And now, hey, we can buy. Okay, but why do you not show this? Shouldn't you show the check mark? But it's working. That's the important part. Focus change. No. Confirm. Yes, nice. On card press. Generic card. If purchased, yeah, if already purchased, you return. Then we set purchase to true, and we play animation play purchased, which it did it play purchased? Shop card component. Purchased. Nope. Did not play the check mark. Why did you not play the check mark? You played unavailable. When do you play unavailable? Set inactive. Now my question is, if I buy it with the mouse, does it play it correctly? So, Gregorio, you've been working with Godot too? It sounds like it. What you working on? Okay, cheat on. And very little just my free time. That's a good engine for just free time. Huh? Okay, cheat. Infinite money. Okay, if I click on it, trying to create something just for fun, no high expectation. Yeah, those are fun. Okay, wait, the first one. Also a fun way to learn coding, definitely. Yeah. I also I could code a little before Godot, like some prototype mechanics, but now that I use it more frequently and all by myself, I definitely learned more about coding. Still learning a lot, but got my skills upgraded. But now, why on mouse enter? On mouse entered. We call this. No, we call this when focus happens, and I think this happens also when you click on it. It also becomes focused, and that's why it plays the hover again. Yeah, not just try learning. Yeah, it's definitely easier to learn if you know you're doing it for something specific and something that you can look at and that you can use at the end, and not just learning how to sort numbers because now you can sort numbers for nothing. Yeah, it definitely makes it easier. You now know how to load random images from your hard drive. The end. Okay, so on focus change, you play hover. If not purchased, right? If purchased, if not purchased. If not purchased. No, we ask for. Oh, if pressing is allowed. Yeah. Pressing is allowed. Not purchased, and then you press on it. On card pressed. If purchased is a return, but otherwise it says. And then we check if animation player is playing. Animation player stop. So if it happens to be playing the hover animation. And we call it stop. But also the other question is, why did the second cards all not? Nope. Why did I do that? Alt F4 for a weird brain farty reason. Okay, so the thing that I have to keep in mind is that if you click on a card, I think also focuses. So this will also happen, but let's see. Let's see, maybe asking for the purchase state is enough. Maybe we can try the chest first, because those are the same objects. So this worked, and here this also worked. That's good. Let's find out why. Shop screen. What to do with the thing now? Calaboo. There's a shop here. Cheat. Alright, let's try it with the controller. That worked. Shop. Okay. Oh no, what? No. Was it because the mouse was over it? Why can't I buy anything anymore? What was that? We have another shop coming, yes. Okay, that was annoying. Oh, I turned cheese back off. Defeat, 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 defeat. Looks like you're quite far along in my game. Yeah. Did make some progress. I have a playable loop, I think, so that's pretty cool. But I also just started 2 months ago, so that's kind of... I've never worked on a project like full-time all by myself, so I'm not used to how much progress you can make if you keep working on it, so I'm still a bit baffled by the fact that... No! Okay. So yeah, we got pretty far. We have 3 regions, 3 bosses, lots of techniques, a score at the end. So yeah, I think the basic gameplay is there now. Now I'm trying to adding accessibility features, controller support, but also this does not work the way I want. Card focused if not purchased. But you are not purchased. Well, maybe stopping the animation is enough, maybe. And yeah, if you're interested, the game is on itch.io for free while I work on it. Probably should get a command for this. I don't always have to find the link. If you're interested in checking it out, testing it, giving feedback, there's the link. Of course, always appreciate But mind, it's not completely bug free because it's still like an alpha. It's still an alpha state. I probably soon can enter beta. Okay. No, all good. I didn't mean like right now. You can anytime you feel like it, my friend. Okay, this worked. But after that, I cannot purchase anymore. So what is happening? We still have focus though, do we? Let's check. Shop. Yeah, we still have focus. And we do try to... Okay, clicking works, but it's also... Is it that we stopped the animation? On card pressed. It's playing. Okay, let's try without. I hate this. Like when I implement super complicated things like resource loading, it works after a few hiccups, but it works. And then when I try to do something easy, like, oh yeah, let's make the cards selectable on the shop screen with the controller, then suddenly weird issues happen and it becomes a much bigger task than it should be. Especially now that it is selectable, but for some reason the shopping doesn't, purchase doesn't work correctly. So why are you doing this to me? Okay, it has nothing to do with that because I still cannot purchase more than one. Why though? What is the problem? We have a focused card. Okay, so this is not the issue, and this seems also not to be the issue. Seems to be the issue that the second on press does not work. Wait, it's shop card component. No, we are. Where was it? Open shop again, and it does do this. Focus card was not 0, so it is calling card pressed, right? Print pressed on card. Card. I don't have name. Name, but name will just be my item. ID? Right, we can print the ID. Oh no. Marble has marble ID, no? Or is it just... No, it's just ID. Okay. So let's see if we get to this. This is such a strange issue. No shop. Let's try again. Excuse me. I need another coffee. It's almost second coffee o'clock. Cheat. Defeat. Yeet. Okay, I can buy the first one, which also doesn't show the right animation. Okay, press the second one. What does the debug say? Input to take trying to purchase cards. Press on card's simple potion twice. Huh. It doesn't change the focused card for some reason. Yeah, okay, that's the issue. So is this not called? Wait. Focused card here. On card focused. Connect. Oh, wait. Potion. Ah. I just put this in here for testing, but we of course need to do this for every card that we instantiate. So items, card focused, then skills. Nope, no skill. Wait, this is also no item. And then no marble. Yeah. Still doesn't explain why it doesn't show the... Oh, it's because we cannot afford the game. If our money changes, the cards check if you can afford them. Is that it? So you buy it, it becomes a check mark, but then checks if you can afford it, and then you can't because you're broke. And then it's why it puts it on disabled. Okay. Purchase. 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 And perfect. Think part. Changed? On focus changed? No. On controller mode changed? No. We are connecting money changed. Update shop view. Update. Oop. So we want shop card component update function. So update does if content is null return. Inventory. Remove the color. Cannot afford. Why did I make a bool cannot afford and not just can afford and invert? Anyway. Else. Game manager inventory money is smaller cost and not paid. Oh, purchased. Correct. So we should only set this to you cannot buy this visual feedback if you haven't already bought it, because no need to show that you cannot afford a card that you already own. Correct? Brain? Thanks, Brain. No shop card. Travesty. I want to make a new coffee, but then I'd have to go over there, turn on the coffee machine, and wait. And then make a coffee, and then wait some more. But then I have coffee. Difficult choice. Alright, we did this, and now shop. Okay, perfect. So we can still afford it. No! No! Ah! Why can't we buy it? Cannot afford true and set inactive. Set inactive if not purchased unavailable. Pressing allowed. False. So wait, that means okay, we just have to check for pressing allowed. Confirm. If focused, if not focused card, pressing allowed, return. There we go. That should do it. And now I'm gonna just quickly start the coffee machine and make some coffee. While we check what we can do next. So. Okay, this is a small bug. Enemy moves twice after bind shard breakout is not nice, but it's also not huge. Paying dice on battle menu button triggers press, also not huge. I'll definitely fix it, but there are worse things. This is what we have to do. Switching animals does not refresh available button list. So we want to open the coffee machine button. So we want to go to battle manager and then we say load next player animal. I could have sworn that we call this at the end. Yeah, we do update, we call update actions. Huh. We not clear? No. We had us and Ember with 4 attacks, then we changed to Kalbu, which only had 2 attacks, but 2 still remained. Still remains, so... So, update action list. Action buttons clear. And do we remove initialize technique list? Technique buttons clear. Yeah, it initializes empty and initialize empty. Ah, it just hides it. So my technique null. Okay. So initialize empty, the button, if you change, so you have 4 technique buttons. If you change if you get an animal that has not all, like 2 techniques only, then the last 2 ones will initialize empty, so it doesn't change the layout, because if I change how many you have, the layout changes. That's why I keep them, but currently I only hide them. So they, if you have an Anemon with 4 techniques, all buttons get a technique assigned. But then if you change back to an Anemon that has less techniques, I'm just hiding the button but not taking the technique away. That makes sense. So that should be fixed. I will do it with a X question mark to mark that I think I fix it. Victory screen not grabbing focus if there are no loot cards. Can fix that also pretty quickly. Victory screen. Controller mode. Nope. Victory screen. Grab focus. Next button. On loot card selected. Nope, but that is in it. Where do we start this? Fill victory screen. Add score. Selection component focus true. Which technically we don't have to do anymore, because cards are selectable. So we just say child nope. Nope. Shop card component. Where do we? Okay, let's check where we actually load those. Victory screen. They are under technique cards containers. So technique cards containers. Get child 0. Grab focus. And then we say else. So technique cards container get children. So if there are more than 0 loot cards, if not, exit. But nope. Next button, grab focus. Oh, but we have to check if we are in. If game manager settings controller mode. Same for here. Okay. That should also be fixed. Then Anemon image on party list stretched. That is the panel, I think. Party panel. Anemon party panel. So if we put Ibricute in here, let's try that. Ibricute. Yeah, okay, it gets stretched, so it has the wrong bit height. And keep aspect center. That's what we want. There we go. Problem also is though that it does not scale with size, I think, which is a problem. Yeah. So do we have to do this? Maybe? I think so. Okay, we can try. We go into the game. Open the party screen. Start run. Party. Yeah. It's also weird that it doesn't expand. Why do you not expand, huh? I don't quite know. A margin container. Oh, is that it? Let's try it again. Party screen. Okay, this is a different... This is a different button, isn't it? Okay, this looks better. What does the party screen load? Those are different buttons, aren't they? Party screen. I think the party screen uses no? Load party? Where? Events new party leader. Nope. Build party screen. Child. Animal panel scene. Ah. Why is it a reference like this? Panel scene. Open scene. Animal party panel. Why do you... Oh, because you get focus. That's why. So we have party screen, focus, build party screen, current focus, focus party, grab focus. Here, on focus changed. Where does it change? Time for lunch. All right. Thank you. Enjoy your lunch. Thanks for joining in. Have a good day. Current focus. Focus change. Ah. So wherever we... So run menu. Run menu. Party screen opened. We instantiate the party screen. Build a party screen. We don't set the focus, so when does the focus get changed? Ah, here. So we say if game manager settings controller mode. Yeah. Anime context menu rest. Also if this close context menu. This else if this, close detailed screen, if this, and then we say func on controller mode changed on cool if on focus mode focus is it focus mode? Nope, it's current focus. Current focus is focus. What do we have? Party. Okay. And then focused. Nope. Now we say on focus changed. Focused changed. Focus change the screen. Grab focus. Okay. Should work, I think. Should be fixed. Damage preview for shield break techniques show 0. Which means okay, get damage preview. Get damage previews technique new, and then get modified damage, and then we say somewhere shield break here. And then we say if for preview, if not for preview, then we put it on 0. Otherwise, and type advantage. Right, so where's type advantage? Type modify here, type modifier. And then again, type modifier. If not for preview. And say if what are we checking? If it is for if data technique, if not data technique as shield break. Yes. Because shield break should generally not deal type damage. Because there's no type damage against shields. So if modified damage... Okay, then we don't need this. We can... else. Because we do all this. We do all this if it doesn't have shield break tag. We need to try this. Damage preview, shield break. Fusion screen has had 3 elements. Select, skip the second one. Yeah. Not sure what was that about, so let's check fusion screen. Fusion. Load party. Okay. It just loads everyone. Their techniques count is. And then? Are we using this? Ah, init animon. Button init animon valid technique counts. Fusion animon panel. Available techniques to upgrade. Grab focus, really toggle focus. Why do I have a toggle focus? Just need grab focus. Huh. Party list component, get general focus, neighbor left. It's a button. Ah, mark valid animals. This might be... valid animals get animals with technique duplicates. Wait, but you can also transfer... Not sure. No, it should just... Huh. And then, okay, var available tag transfer. Put this in here. Equals game manager inventory get different get learn items with different tags and it returns an array from the technique. We say this equals 0, and then for T in child techniques child my anemon techniques available tag transfer plus equal with tags size. No? B. And then if valid anemon has this or available tag transfer is larger 0. And on anemon selected. Otherwise we queue free. Correct? Yes. And then here we say if game manager settings controller mode. Oh no, focus is different here. Okay, what else do we have? Switching in Ibriku did not spawn water die, only after new turn. Okay, correct. Water die is there was water abundance. Quirk triggers on summoned. Then why did it not trigger? Battle manager. Load next player anemon, and this should now have load next player anemon. If benched, summoned, undo quirk. This is correct, and then at the end here. If next anemon quirk is not 0, summon quirk trigger summon, next anemon quirk trigger quirk, then update rerolls. Why do we update rerolls only if we have the quirk? Ah. Call deferred. And then let's check what exactly water abundance. Add temporary die. Temporary die append. Temp die. Then dice loadout changed. Connect. On dice loadout changed. If game measure dice temporary back dice size is 0. And therefore temporary die clear. But we just improved it by 1. print dice role manager detected dice loadout change, and then print dice back temp dice size is 0, and then print dice back temp dice size is larger than 0. And then for data in die or die and temporary dice, found temp die, don't really know what print, didn't find temp die, so at least if this happens again we have some debug so we can check. What else do we have? Switching element keeps paid technique slot ready. Right. So battle manager load next player anemon. Okay, how do we do this? We want that you have a, if you have a paid technique and you swap, it should still be ready. So a technique button sort of has the save. Ah, damn it. So technique button has to save who has paid it. Correct. So we need an array of anemons. Paid by anemon. Array anemon. And then also var tag satisfied by, no. Do we also want to have tag satisfied? Okay, one after another. Okay, so we say paid cost paid on button pressed cost paid execute technique. Then we say cost paid false, and then we say if paid by anemon has my anemon, paid by anemon erase my anemon. Oop. Allow technique use. Cost paid true. Say if not paid by anemon has my anemon, paid by anemon append my anemon. So we have an array. We will make an array that stores any anemon that has paid this button. So if we change and we call initialize button. And then we say get cost, current cost, damage amount visible, clear tag visible. Does it say cost somewhere here? Then we say if paid by Anemon has my Anemon, then we say current cost is 0 and allow technique use. Does this work? This might actually be enough. So else nope. So we allow the technique use, but otherwise we wanna restrict the technique use. So we say reset. No, what's the function for it? Execute technique. Exhaust. Certified tag. Cost paid false. Current cost. Base cost. Animation player reset. Animation player play pressed. Well, we probably also need this for exhausted techniques, because I'm not sure if you change an exhausted technique, it stays exhausted. So otherwise we say here else reset cost current cost base cost paid is false. Or do we set this here somewhere already? Oh, we do it at the beginning. Current cost, base cost. And then if current cost, should we check this too? Apparently. Where is it? In it here. If current cost larger 0, then we just say reset button cost. No. Then we put this in here. Ah, fuck. It doesn't work if you paid if you pay the button already halfway through and then change, that should save. So paid by animal needs to be a dictionary. Right. And then oh god, my brain hurts. No, we don't need a dictionary. We can okay, brain. Do we make a dictionary for the Anemon and then another dictionary? I think so. Right? Because currently because then we can track let's first test what actually happens so we can be sure what happens and what doesn't. For that we need to capture an anemone. Go. And then let's try. Okay. So reroll. Okay, here's what we try. So I will put snapped, cost 1, and I will use pout. So we have one exhausted technique and one halfway paid technique. So now we switch with probably. Okay, it resets snap. It resets pout. That's good. Now what happens if I go back? Because I genuinely don't remember. Switch. Hello? Oh no. Why does this not work anymore? No button holding. Does this work? Yes. Okay, damn it. Now we go back. Yeah, okay. So it does not save exhaustion state. Okay, we do need a menu, battle menu, button component. So why are you not dice cost component? Anything add filters, ignore, pass, stop. So why does this not work anymore? Is it because we changed it to a button? That would be not so nice. Oh god damn it. Yeah, fuck. So technique button. Nope. Technique button. But technique button is also dice cost component. I don't get it. Yes, we put it here at the end, but still makes no sense. Why? But if it works, then I don't care. Okay, this might be because something in the new layout is overlaying this. So where's the battle manager? What do I have here? Middle UI. Ignore bottom UI. Ignore. Oh, that's right. Ignore. Stop. This should ignore. Ignore. Stop. That's good. Action list. Ignore. And now from bottom. Wait. Player techniques. Do you have a press? No. You do not press on this. Guess pass is okay. Although put this on ignore. Ignore. Is it this maybe? Ignore. Stop. And stop. Ignore. So anything that is below it, overlay screen container, ignore. What? Why does the tooltip component has a... God damn it. No! Why is it still not working? Come on, please. Oh, wait. It's because... okay. Because it's 0. I'm dumb. Well... Oh. What do we have here? Attempt catch condition p-child data parent. This is a catch handler 97. Overlay screen. Remove child. Bind such object. Add child world. Oh, okay. Wait, we don't even have to do this. We just cure free. That was a misconception we had at the beginning. But now we... Okay, technique button. So what we're doing now is we make a dictionary. Paid by Animon. dictionary. And then we say and then we say, so here we anemone payment data, we call it. So what we now do is, instead of where do we say it? Wherever it's red. So we say execute technique. No. So we say no. First we say if you pay it on date on drop on dice data drop. And we say if payment data has anemone. If not, then we say anemone payment data. At first we have to create this, right? So at ready we say anemone payment data is an empty dictionary, and then payment data my anemone equals a new dictionary that we say paid oh no, we just create this data. My anemone empty array.
Darling, do you want to know what I think?
Is this how you create a new entry? I forgot. Godot dictionary. So this is where it gets set. And then I guess we can add. We can already add each anemone to the dictionary when we start the battle. Yeah, but I guess if nobody pays it, we don't have to add. First array can contain more complex data. Yeah, so here white, yellow, orange is already part of the dictionary, and then we just assign it as a new one. Okay, that's what we did.
Darling, do you want to know what I think?
And then here, satisfied tags. We should make a function for this. Then we have it on one. func add satisfied tag battle tag, and then satisfied tags append tag and then if payment data has my anemon, if not payment data has my anemon, and payment data my anemon equals empty dictionary, and then anemon payment data my anemon, and then we say satisfied tags but it should be an array. Satisfied tags should be an array. Can I just create an array like this? Or how does that work? Can I have more complex data? Okay. Then I guess we can do this. Anemon payment data my anemon satisfied tags this or if else if if anemon payment data my anemon has satisfied tags. I'm not sure if this works. Not. Then we do this also. It's probably a smarter way to do it, right? Append tag. Okay. Okay. I guess we don't have to check, right? We just can we just append and it creates I don't know. Guess we're gonna find out. And then func clear. No, we have clear tags. Func remove tag battle tag. Then we say satisfied tags erase tag. And then then we have to check the same thing again, right? If anemone has my anemone, and then has satisfied tag. Satisfied tags has tag, then erase. Oh. Okay. Does this work? And now we go up here. Execute technique. No. Was it here? On dice drop. On dice data dropped here. Satisfied tag append. If precise. So we say add satisfied tag. Probably. Why is this? What? No. Add satisfied tag. We should probably. Print this. Actually, we should do this at the initialization. We should do this when we initialize the button. Where we say my what? There. So after my anemone, we will check. If it doesn't have the anemone yet, we will create this. There we go. And then anemone payment data my anemone. Paid 0. Anything else? And exhausted. Anemone payment payment data my anemone exhausted equals what? Yeah, correct. Then we don't have to do it at the end. And then let's keep going to and we make this into a function. We say check paid data. And then we go at the end and we make function func check paid data as where we will check if we have to change anything. But that also means now I go through everything. Base cost, check beta, clear tags, Okay, that's fine. Transform into enemy button, that's fine too. Ready for dice, that's okay. Stop ready for dice, that's handle, handle, handle. On button pressed, here we go. Dice cost component, drop data. Setting no dragging. Dice cost component, drop data. That's okay because drop data will call data drop emit and then we come back. Okay, cost paid, false. Drop data here to pay for cost, that's fine. My technique hashtag heavy. Execute technique. And then on button pressed. So execute technique comes here, right? If exhaust true, and then nope, payment data, my animon exhausted to true, and then press technique execute. Current cost is base cost, right? That means we also need to check if cost is paid because of things that could make them paid without actually payment data animon. Cost paid or just ready. Or does this go? No, I guess this goes through tags. Current cost, base cost, payment data, my animon, cost paid is back to 0. And cost paid false. Paid by animon. No, we don't need this. No. Wait, do we have paid by animon? Huh. Player techniques. Ready text. My technique hashtag adaptive. Satisfied tags clear. I guess. Satisfied tags clear. But this also means we need to clear animon payment data. My animon satisfied tags clear. Yeah, animon is player wait, animon playing finished. If exhaust and animon payment data, my anemone. Exhausted equals true. Show technique tag. Initialize empty. Technique is null. Right. On dice data dropped. If we initialize empty, I think that also means that. No, I think we don't. On dice data dropped. And we say current cost current cost equals data amount. Sure. We have to say current. God. No, this was. I think I don't drop on dice data drop. Then we say payment data my anemone paid does equal data amount. That's what, yeah, this is what we paid so far. Otherwise, it's just plus 1. 1. I think somewhere we said cost paid. Oh, okay. Get rivalry, a child, power position, element mismatch, current cost. Yeah, it should technique cost, current cost, allow technique use. Allow technique use, current cost. Current cost is 0. On double text satisfied, append, which we change to add tag. This one. And ah shit, double rolled. Oh, those are quirks. I'm not sure if we can trigger quirks. Specific double rolled. exhaust. Oh. Payment data, my anemone exhausted. It's true. So, and unexhaust is the opposite. False. I just have to check. I think we already. Oop. I think we did this somewhere. Double. Exhaust, unexhaust, exhaust. Yeah, we don't need this because we put it part into the function, which makes more sense. Exhaust guy false. Yay. Okay. A poop a doop a doop. Okay. Ooh, so now we say allow technique use. Allow technique use. So where does precise get damage preview? Ah, here. Okay, so here check pay data. Now we go through. If payment data my anemone has my anemone, I hope that function works, not has my anemone, then we return. Else, no, just if anemone payment data my anemone, which I will copy because I will use this a lot. Paid is larger than 0, then current cost equals clampy. Current cost minus paid 0.99, and then if current, I do this at the end. Yeah, do that at the end. If current cost 0, allow technique use. And not exhausted. So next one would be exhausted, exhaust. If satisfied tags size larger 0, then for tag in satisfied tags append tag, but first we need to clear tags. Do we forget anything? We have paid, exhausted. What's this? Allow technique use. Yes. And then where's double? Where do we check for double? On double tag satisfied. Technique has no technique. Satisfied. Okay. Then we say if not exhausted, and then current cost is 0 or satisfied tax has where was that again? Double. If my technique has tag double events nope. Double on double tag satisfied. How do we check if satisfied tags get damage previews? If satisfied tags has tag there. Has double. I think that'll work. Let's find out. Uh-oh. Invalid execution key satisfied tags on base object of type bool. Invalid access to property satisfied tags. Satisfied tags on a base object of type bool. What? Oh wait. Exhausted ore. Oh, I'm missing an ore here. Iron ore. Irony ore. Ah, come on. What do you mean? Satisfied tags on a base object. Invalid access to property or key. Ah, you reset it again. I fucking hate this. Why does this happen? There we go. Inventory, blind chart. Now we have an exhausted technique. And now we switch to Halazoom, which should have not an exhausted technique. And now if we switch... Oh, we have a reroll of -1, which is not great. And then switch... Ah, shoot. And now we have 2 ready techniques and we switch back to Kaboo, which has an exhaust, but Snap's ready? Ah, only the ready text shows. Guess we can undo that. But now let's see if we swap back. Yeah. And now exhaust this. So we use Delhi. We exhaust Pout. And now we switch back again. You have this, and now, come on. There we go. Oh. But Delhi is still ready, but we used it. So somewhere, I mean, most of it works. It's already pretty good that it works on first try. Question is, why did Delhi not reset? Execute technique. Cost paid is 0. I guess we have to also check if it's else. Forbid technique use. Allow technique use. Under is we have bit funk with technique use. Which means play reset. Where's reset? That's fine. Reset, reset, reset. Play reset. Reset. There. Okay, play reset. If animation player is not null, then technique cost true, ready text visible false. Anything else? Current cost 0, cost paid false. There, update something, update. Nope. So we call this forbid technique use. And then we say cost label. No. Text. Nickname. Technique cost die drop on dice data dropped. There should be cost update here somewhere. Get damage at satisfied tanks. Current cost, sure. Current cost. I guess we can just copy all this. Mesh play die dropped, except for this one. Right, except for we have to check. Technique cost text. So what happens if it has adaptive? Adaptive. If you have a paid technique that has adaptive. So we say else. Okay, so we check if it's adaptive. We wait if it has adaptive. Wait, other way around. Right, we have to check if the payment data is larger than 0. Then it can't be because it already got paid. Ugh. Guess we're gonna have to find out, huh? So let's try this again. We capture you little piece of work. This. And then here we go. All right. We use pout is exhausted, and now we switch to hello zoom. Then has deli ready and snap ready. So now we switch again to Kalbu, which has we have to check for if it's when it's not exhausted. put it back to... Right, but pout cost is 0. Why is pout cost 0 and snap is ready? Something's not right. We go back here. We use Delhi. And then we switch back. Yeah, this is still ready. But let's see if at least Delhi is... God damn it. Why are you ready? I used you. Something's not quite right, but we're gonna fix that after lunch break, I would say, because I have to walk the dog. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope you like what I do. You can check out the game on itch.io and follow the channel if you like what I do, even though it's very, very chaotic. But yeah, we'll keep working on Soulblaze and hopefully push, if everything turns out to be stable today, I'm gonna push the update with the controller support today, or at the latest Sunday. Okay, then until then, stay hydrated, stay wonderful, and I'm gonna see you on the next stream. Zin out.